For example, 2 years ago it's a past time verb for us. Or yesterday is a past time verb.
Okay, it's finished.
Finished and then it's a past time.
Okay.
Then you have present perfect. Been. Where been is present perfect. Where have you add had. That's the third column of the rule verb. I have been. Where have you been? Not yesterday, but today. For example.
Okay.
Where have you? Or this week.
Okay.
Where have you? Where?
This week I have been on Palma.
Okay. Well, I have been to.
I have been to Palma.
Okay.
This week I have been to
Allá
visit.
o a Nippon. Ambas a jugar a los datos, ¿cómo se dice? Pools, pues ¿cómo se dice en castellano ahora?
Pool.
Sí, pero castellano, no me acuerdo ahora. Y luego al ping-pong. De cara, de cositas, muy
This
ya
week
sería la hostia.
I have been.
Aquí, yo es como esto será posible.
I have been at the swimming pool.
Yeah. At the swimming pool. Is it true or are you inventing it?
No, I am inventing
It.
it. No, because in reality, this week I have been working.
Yeah. Yeah, in reality
This
no.
week.
No, in reality no.
In,
En realidad, I really, no en reality, I really,
really?
sí, yo realmente, no sé si en reality, sí que I really, why to lie, why